Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In this tutorial, we will cover how to convert an integer numpy array to a float numpy array. Numpy is a powerful library in Python that provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with a wide variety of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. Overview of numpy array types. Numpy arrays can hold elements of various types, including integers, int, and floating point numbers, float. Sometimes, you might need to convert an integer array to a float array for mathematical operations that require floating point precision. Why convert int to float? 1. Precision. Floating point numbers can represent decimals and larger ranges than integers. 2. Mathematical operations. Certain operations, like division, may yield more accurate results when performed on floats. How to convert an integer numpy array to a float numpy array. To convert an integer array to a float array, you can use the isType method provided by numpy. This method allows you to specify the desired data type. Step-by-step example. 1. Import numpy. First, you need to import the numpy library. 2. Create an integer array. Create a numpy array with integer values. 3. Convert to float. Use the isType method to convert the integer array to a float array. 4. Display results. Print the original and converted arrays to see the differences. Code example. Here's a complete code example demonstrating these steps. Output explanation. When you run the above code, you will see 1. The original integer array along with its data type, int64 or int32 depending on your system. 2. The converted float array along with its data type, float64. 3. The result of dividing the float array by 2, showcasing that it maintains decimal precision. Key points. Use isType, float, to convert an integer array to a float array. The conversion does not modify the original array, it creates a new array. This approach is applicable for multidimensional arrays as well. Conclusion. Converting between data types in numpy is straightforward and efficient. Understanding how to manipulate array types is crucial for effective data analysis and scientific computing. You can now convert integer arrays to float arrays as needed for your applications.